Who likes math? Let's do a little bit of what I call FJ Cruiser math. I will put a link to the forum discussion on this same thing in the description. Out of the total 222,000 FJ Cruisers produced for the U.S. market, the poster in the forum, his math concluded by the end of 2018 there will only be 73,000 FJ Cruisers left on our roads. His math was based on insurance averages, and we know the FJ Cruiser is above average, except for being butt-ass fugly, so I'll add a conservative equation to the FJ math algorithm of 25%. FJ Cruisers are 25% above average and more likely to still be on the road versus average. This puts us at 91,222 based on 2018's numbers. Now, updating the numbers to 2023, and for easy math, because most of us are public school flunkies, I'll use the 85,000 remaining number. My algorithm has no consideration for trail teams, special editions, or manual transmissions. Now, for comparison, our closest direct competition is the Jeep Wrangler and the new Bronco. Tacomas and Gladiators are pickups and excluded in my algorithms. Here's where it gets crazy. The Jeep Wrangler has sold an average of 211,000 a year over the last 5 years. That's over 1 million sold and likely still on the road, even though they're Jeeps. Broncos, meanwhile, have been experiencing higher than usual supply constraints, hurting their sales. So in 2022, they only sold 117,000. Without a calculator, that's about 30% more than all the FJs still on the road. We are being outnumbered. 2023 Jeep sales are losing a few percentage points to their own Gladiator and to the Bronco. And the Bronco's sales numbers are increasing now that they're able to deliver them. While there may be room for discussion on my numbers and algorithm, there is no debate. FJ Cruisers on the road are declining and Bronco Wranglers are increasing. I think it'd be safe to say our FJs are outnumbered 15-1 in North America, with that being increased every year forward. While in general, they, whoever they are, claims it takes 25 years for a car to become a classic. My Carrera in the garage is 4 years to go. I feel it's safe to say with the low sales volume, early termination of production, and the cult status of our FJs, it is an early classic that will continue to become rarer to see every year from now on. So congratulations if you already own an FJ. If you used to own an FJ, enjoy the photos you took while you had it. And for the rest of you, I test drove a new Bronco. It's a nice ride, very capable. Dependability can't be any worse than a Jeep, right? Hey look, if you end up with a Bronco, just make sure you GPS pin your parking spot at Kroger so you'll know which one is yours after you finish getting your groceries. See ya.